Today we discuss a new concept, that is olfactory indicators. What is meant by olfactory indicators? There are some substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. That substances we are named as a olfactory indicators. What are the examples for olfactory indicators? Means onion, vanilla essence and clove oil. These are examples for olfactory indicators. Why these substances are named as an olfactory indicator means our nose containing olfactory lobes. These lobes containing olfactory epithelium layer presented inside of the lobes. This epithelium layer that will be connected to the nerves and that will be connected to the brain. Whenever we have to smell these substances, that will be recognized by our brain. So these substances we have to name it as a olfactory indicators. First we can take onion and we can chop that onion and we can cover these onion pieces in a cover and we can kept a small cloth inside of that cover and we can tag it and we can kept in a refrigerator overnight. After the next day we can take that piece of cloth and that will be added to that piece of cloth. We can add an acidic solution and one more piece of cloth taken. To that piece of cloth we can add a base solution. What changes we have to notice means the acid dipped piece of cloth does not change their odor. That means onion smell comes whenever acid is dipped in a piece of cloth. When base dipped this piece of cloth changes their odor. That means onion odor cannot be recognized when the piece of cloth dipped in a base. In this way we can recognize the acid and base by odor. Next, vanilla essence. By using a vanilla essence also we can recognize the given solution is acidic or basic. How we have to recognize it means, first of all we can take a test tube. To the test tube we can take 2 or 3 drops of vanilla essence and add acid solution. The vanilla essence odor cannot be disappeared. That means the odor is retained. Now we can take another test tube. To the test tube we can add vanilla essence and add base solution. Here the vanilla essence odor that will be loses. That means here there is no odor of this vanilla essence solution. Now the same activity we can done with the help of a clove oil. First of all we have to take a test tube. To that we can add some drops of clove oil and add a acidic solution. Whenever we can add a acidic solution, there is no change in a smell of clove oil. Whereas we can take another test tube and we can add some clove oil and add few drops of base solution. Whenever we can add a base solution, the odor of the clove oil will be changes. That means there is no odor we can identify. These are the, by using these onion, vanilla, clove oil, we can identify the given solution is acid or base. Onions. Whenever we can dip acid in onion, it retains smell. In base, it loses the smell. Onion will loses the smell. Similarly, vanilla and clove oil retains their smell in acidic media. In basic media, they will loses their smell. Thank you.